one more feature which I kind of like, and that is assigning credit for participation. And it's actually really easy with MobLab. And so I'm going to return to the instructor console. Am I at the instructor console, Nathaniel?
Double check. Yes, I can
Oh,
see the
thank you.
modules again.
Another trick I've learned, always make sure you're sharing the screen that you think you're sharing. And so I'm just going to go to the gradebook, right? And the module and I'm going to add a column to this, right? And I'm going to call it pre-webinar participation, right? And I am going to include, right, the pre-webinar assignment. And there were 3 different activities in the pre-webinar assignment, right? And I'm going to save that. Right? And now we can see for each of the participants, right, whether they participated and if they completed all activities. And like I said, I just care that a student has, especially for games, that they have participated. And so I tend to use binary sorts of grading.